Hey guys, this is Dan with New Positivity TV. I'll show you another recipe that I do. These are the actual fries that I buy. They're really good fries. And I take some garlic, some onions, and I'm going to put an avocado in there. And then the fries in here are frozen. This sauce. I got this one from you can look it up online and see. And then also I add black pepper to it. And if you want, you can add some cayenne pepper to it as well. Depending on what you do, add that flavor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick these in the air fryer, let them cook for a little bit. And I'm gonna add the onions. I'm gonna add the garlic, and then towards the end we'll put that avocado on top. Okay, guys? Okay, the fries has stopped, so I'm just going to take and add the onions now, and then I'll add the garlic as well, because they're kind of brown right now. So this is the time to add those, because you don't want to overcook the onions and overcook the garlic. So that's why I let the fries get a little toasty, and then I add the other stuff. Okay? Okay guys, now you can see that I added the onions and the garlic, and I also added some of this powder already. So and then also I added the black pepper too as well. So it's all ready to start cooking. I'll let it bake again, and I'm setting it at 400 degrees on the air fryer, just to let you guys know. And you just watch it. The main thing is paying attention to it. Even though it has a timer, I just pull it out and look just to make sure it doesn't overcook. All right? Okay guys, I've already plated the fries. You can see how I plated them. And then this is the avocado. We'll just take it and we'll set it on top. Now, these are the other toppings you can add if you want. You can either put some cayenne pepper, which is the cayenne pepper here, or if you want to sweeten it up a little bit, this hot honey is great on it. Or you can just put a hot honey on the side, and then you can just dip into it. So I'll show you a little bit of the hot honey on the side. So if you just take a little bit of the hot honey and just put it right here on the plate. You see how I added it? And then you could just take a fry, dip it like that, and delicious. Or if you want to have some fun, you could just take it in. You see, I'm just whirling it all over the fries. So you can just squirt it all over the fries. Well, there you go, guys. I'm gonna have all the recipe in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. Appreciate it. Peace, love, happiness. Keep moving forward. New Positivity TV. Showing you new things. Thanks for watching. Oh, and congrats again. This is our first year as of May the 30th, 2024. And today is June the 1st. So give us thumbs up, guys. Like the video. And share your recipes as well. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye now.